The Germany 40 can move 100 points in minutes. Known as the DAX, this index sees sudden, violent price shifts that wipe out unprepared positions. The DAX tracks the 40 largest companies trading on the Frankfurt Exchange, global names like Siemens, SAP, and Volkswagen. Because these firms represent such a massive portion of Europe's industrial output, the index is a primary indicator for the health of the broader Eurozone. Maximum volume hits between 9 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Central European Time. During this window, the Asian market close overlaps with the U.S. market open, creating the most intense liquidity and price swings of the day. Trading the DAX as a predictable, slow-moving asset leads to failure. Navigating this level of volatility requires a structured, active system. Most intermediate traders fall into a trap. They either stare at mathematical chart patterns, or they obsess over news headlines, ignoring the other half of the picture. Professionals use a synchronized system that pairs technical price levels with real-world macroeconomic fundamentals. To see how this works in a live market, we will dissect the minute-by-minute anatomy of a proactive DAX trade from start to finish. At 8:30 a.m. in Frankfurt, before the main session begins, the trader establishes a baseline technical map. This chart uses the 50 and 200 period exponential moving averages to identify the macro trend. With the 50 EMA holding above the 200, the daily bias is bullish, meaning we are looking for opportunities to buy. The price is currently consolidating into a bull flag pattern just below a major historical resistance level at 18,500. Discipline is critical here. Buying early because of the fear of missing out often leads to a false breakout, where the price briefly pokes above resistance before crashing back down. A chart pattern alone is just a possibility. To actually break that 18,500 ceiling, the market requires a real-world catalyst. Moving away from the screen, the DAX is highly sensitive to economic data drops across the Eurozone. Traders watch for policy shifts from the European Central Bank and forward-looking indicators like the ZEW Economic Sentiment survey. Because the market prices in what it already expects, significant volatility only occurs when the actual data surprises to consensus. At 11 a.m., the ZEW survey results are released. The numbers are significantly higher than forecast, showing a sudden wave of optimism in the German economy. That fundamental shift provides the exact volume needed to shatter the 18,500 resistance level. The technical chart provided the location, but the economic data provided the fuel. This intersection provides a high-conviction entry point that neither news nor charts could offer on their own. Even a high-probability setup is dangerous without capital protection. Leveraged CFD trading can amplify profits, but it also accelerates account-destroying losses. Position sizing dictates risking no more than 1% to 2% of capital per trade. To set a logical stop-loss, use the average true range, or ATR. This tool accounts for DAX volatility, placing your exit lines safely away from normal market noise. Risk management is the absolute armor required to survive market fluctuations and stay in the game. During violent news breaks, a slow broker will cause severe slippage and widen spreads, destroying a perfect entry. Capitalizing on these spikes requires institutional-grade technology. FXNX provides 0.0 pip spreads and ultra-fast execution to capture the move cleanly as it happens. Avoid emotional trading. Rely on back-tested data and a disciplined plan rather than chasing the euphoria of a fast-moving price. You can practice this confluence strategy risk-free. Open an FXNX demo account to master DAX volatility using real-time market data. Consistent profitability on the Germany 40 is built on the deliberate synchronization of technical setups, key economic news, and low-latency execution.